Good morning once again to Editorial Says. Here we are going to discuss the current affair GK for the date 27 June 2020. Here the main important thing about this video is that we learn current affairs with tricks to remember it lifelong. So let's begin. Before starting, here are some 4 points which you must be careful. Like first, read the questions carefully. Read the question carefully and to understand the question properly. Second, follow the steps of the trick. This is very important part of this video. So just make sure that you follow the steps of the trick and also understand it. Third, watch the video with full concentration. If you watch the video with full concentration, then you will understand and able to grasp all the things very well. And fourth, test yourself after the video. Here after the video, I posted 3 or 4 questions, so you can just try understand the questions and after try to answer the questions using the tricks. GK point 1. In which state or union territory were the two bridge named Devika and Puneja inaugurated? Now see here one trick is there which you can learn. See here Devika starts from D and Puneja starts with P. Now here you can learn the abbreviation, DJPK. DJPK. Therefore now see DJ and PK. So here you get Jammu and Kashmir, J&K. Therefore answer is Jammu and Kashmir. GK point 2 plus trick. Which country will with Australia host the 2023 Women's Football World Cup? Now see, if any two countries are hosting the World Cup together, then most generally they are very close to each other, or their boundaries are very close to each other. Now if you see the world map, the nearest country to Australia is New Zealand, and there are so many tournaments which Australia and New Zealand they hosted together. So here the answer is New Zealand. Just remember that the 2023 Women World Cup will be hosted by both Australia and New Zealand. GK point 3 plus trick. Here the NASA headquarters to be renamed as. Sorry, here it will be as. Here it will be as. Now trick is NASA is of USA, and as it is the uh, space agency of USA, and Michael Jackson is also of USA. You know, a very famous dancer. Now the answer here is Mary W. Jackson. Now here you can remember like the W is just like ulta M, and Jackson is there, and M also you can remember as M W Jackson or Mary W. Jackson. GK point 4 plus trick. In which country NTPC has tied up to build a 500 MW solar park? Now here what trick I have written Mohammed Ali. See, if any 500 mega MW park will be there, that park will be the park will be very huge in size, and also therefore also just consider like this that the park is very big. This park will be very big, and only Muhammad Ali, as he is very famous boxer, he will be only able to lift it and pull it. This is just a trick to remember. Actually it may not be possible. So Muhammad Ali, just take M and ALE. So the country name is Mali. And your NTPC full form is also given, National Thermal Power Corporation. So therefore in the country of Mali, NTPC, which is National Thermal Power Corporation, has tied up to build a 500 MW solar park, megawatt solar park. GK point 5 plus trick. Who will be the first woman to become the president of Melbourne Cricket Club? Now earlier, before this Melbourne Cricket Club, the president was Kumar Sangakkara. You know, he's a very famous cricket player of Sri Lanka. Now the answer is Claire Clonor. Now here what trick is this? See, generally in your any exam they'll give you MCQs. Now Melbourne Cricket Club is there. the last two cricketer both initial letter starts from C. Then in the options you can make out the which word like or which name starts like both the name and the surname starts with C. So answer most probably you will get Claire Clonor. Answer Claire Clonor. Therefore, the first woman to become the president of Melbourne Cricket Club is Claire Connor. GK point 6 plus trick. Which state government introduced Mahaparvana plan to boost Maharashtra? Now, mostly whenever Maha is there, so just understand it is Maharashtra. Like in the previous video, which I think I told you, wherever YSR is there, that means that scheme or that project will be of Andhra Pradesh. Here, similar Maha will always be of Maharashtra. Therefore, answer is Maharashtra. GK point 7. According to the issued list position of India in terms of foreigners' money deposited in Swiss bank. Like we have to just tell the position of the rank. Now see in this list you have the top country is Britain. Now how to remember the trick? You know James Bond is there, his famous number is 007. Therefore see Britain is the top country in this Swiss bank wala list. Now to determine India's position, taking this James Bond 007, write it twice. So write the last letter twice, 77. Therefore the India's rank according to this list is 77. GK point 8 plus trick. Who beat Sachin Tendulkar in Wisden, India's poll? Now your answer is Rahul Dravid. See here in this news, the this poll was for the best Test cricket. Like a poll was conducted to and so many cricketers' name were given that who is the best Test batsman of India. So answer is Rahul Dravid. I feel that Rahul like no trick actually required, but Rahul Dravid was one of the greatest batsman. He was called the wall because he also faced the most number of balls in Test cricket. So just remember that he got the highest number of votes in the Wisden India's poll. GK point 9. Which state has become the first state in the country to scientific dispose of 100% waste? Now you have to here name the state, and see here in this question if you read the question carefully, then here it is given scientific dispose. Now here the you have to here the trick is hut his ghar se, means that hut his ghar se means that if anything is there, if anything waste is there, we generally throw it out. We generally throw it out when we always want a house and our surroundings to be clean. Therefore now see, if you see this trick hut is ghar se, then what, like you get the name of one state, that is Chhattisgarh. Here hut is ghar se, therefore the answer is Chhattisgarh. Therefore the state of Chhattisgarh has become the first state in the country to scientific dispose of like O double F off will come here, dispose of 100% waste. GK point 10. Who inaugurated Atmanirbhar UP or Uttar Pradesh Rozgar Abhiyan for migrant workers? Now see, answer is Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Here you can remember by this like Atmanirbhar was generally first inaugurated or first told on television by Prime Minister Narendra Modi during his speech in one of the lockdowns. I don't remember exactly the date, in the month of May. So this you can, if Atmanirbhar is written here, so it mostly it will be Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Now here are the questions to test your learning. First, NASA headquarters to be renamed as. Now remember that Michael Jackson one trick, therefore answer is M.W. Jackson. Second, according to the issued list position of India in terms of foreigners' money deposited in Swiss bank, what was the top country? Britain was the top country. From Britain, who come James Bond? James Bond famous number is 007. Now just write 77 twice. So the rank of India is 77. Sorry. Next question, which state government introduced Mahaparvana plan to boost investment? Maha is there. You have to name the state government. So answer is Maharashtra. That's all for now. Thank you for watching this video of Editorial Says, where we believe in empowering readers. Please do like our channel and also share this video with your friends and family members. Don't forget to subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for such more informative notifications. Thank you. Jai Hind.